Hello there, welcome to Genesis Models. My name's Bobby Waldron and welcome to the store giveaway hour and channel update. It's the last Friday of the month, 7 p.m, and we do a nice store giveaway hour where I will basically be giving away a bunch of kits at such a low price that we don't make any money out of it, but you get yourself a nice bargain. It will go on till about 8 p.m, where all these codes on the website will then be taken off, so you've got 1 hour to take advantage of these codes. I just also want to say as well, before we jump straight into that, is that because we're getting close to Christmas, the store giveaway hour date for December would basically be New Year's Eve, so we're not going to do one for December. What we're going to do is the last Friday of November, which I do believe is it's the 26th. Let me check. Yeah, it's the 26th. The 26th of November would be the last store giveaway hour for the year, the last store giveaway hour before Christmas. So we'll probably make a little bit of an extra special one and have loads and loads of kits to give yourself that last bit of a bargain just before Christmas, to hopefully get yourself some presents or whatever for Christmas Day. So do look out for that one. So let's just jump in with our first kit giveaway. We have here, we're going to have a bit of an Ed Ard theme. We've got the Fucker Wolf 190D9. This is the Provipack edition, so you get all the nice little goodies in there. This is normally retailed at £23.40, but we're going to be giving it away for just £14. If you want to get your hands on this, the store giveaway hour code is SGH3. Right, all you got to do, put this in your basket, type in SGH3, and you'll get this for just £14. And you've got 1 hour to get in there and do it, or while stocks last. The next one we have is, going a bit Luftwaffe here, is the BF109 G6 early version. Again, it's by Ed Ard. It's a Provipack edition, 1/48 scale. Again, really nice kits these are. This retails at around about £29.40. We're going to be giving it away for just £18.50. Again, store giveaway hour for this one is SGH2. Type that into the code and you'll be able to get this for just a nice £18.50. The last one we're going to be doing as well, this one's quite a nice big one here, quite expensive I suppose really. This is the Spitfire Tally-Ho. This is their new Spitfire they released, absolutely sublime kit, absolutely gorgeous, really rated. You get 2 in here. These normally retail at around about a whopping £57.20. We're going to be giving it away for just £30, and the store giveaway hour code for this will be SGH1. Quite interestingly as well, I have noticed from the wholesalers, they've stopped basically making these. They are supposed to be limited edition, so I'm kind of guessing they're not going to get any more in. So once these have gone, they're gone for us as well, and we probably won't see this again. So not a bad price for something that is not going to be something you can get your hands on very easily from this point on. What we're also going to do is do a 20% off everything that is Ed Ard. Anything that's Ed Ard, their aftermarket parts we have in store, all their kits, 20% off everything. And all you got to do is enter the store giveaway code SGH4 for 20% off anything. Absolutely up to whatever you want to get. So that's the store giveaway hour. Hopefully you'll get in on it. You've got till 8 p.m. to use those codes, and then those codes will disappear and you won't be able to take advantage, or until stocks last. So let's go into the channel update side of things now. Not been feeling too well, sadly I did get COVID. Don't worry, I've got someone else doing all the store stuff, but yeah, I've had a bit of a slow week. But let's just go over what we've sort of been doing. First off, we have I know Bill Bedrow, he did a nice video on a TB24, I think it was, crash site. Really sort of a little bit different. It was quite an interesting video to see from that side, a little bit different, as I say. We did do this as an inbox review, really nice kit. Hopefully if you've already checked it out, fantastic, but if not, go check it out. We did some figures as well as a nice little inbox review here. This was a nice one by ICM, some ground crew and stuff to go with your P-51s or any kind of US sort of fighter. What else did we do? We also had the 3D printing video that I promised you, and we also started putting these up for sale, these nice sort of holders, 3D printed to hold your Tamiya glues in there and stuff. I might go off and sort of resize these so they fit things like the AK ones, the Mr. Cement S and stuff, because they have been selling quite nicely as well. Hopefully we'll see more from the 3D print, and hopefully you like that and look forward to all that kind of stuff. We've also got our Phantom. Alright, this is one of our main step-by-steps that's going on at the moment. We've really sort of moved into all the spray work, really kind of spent this month getting all our bottom side sprayed up, you know, pre-shading, bleaching, post-shading. We even came round and did some sort of advanced post shading just here, where we do that sort of, you know, when people come around with a spray can and they sort of spray sort of scratches out and all the panel lines and stuff, and it kind of gives it that kind of look. We kind of went down that route there, you know, going into the two different camo colors, which is rather cool. This, you know, coming up to, say, going into next month, you know, we're going to be sort of messing about with black colors and how to, so we're going a lot of spray in here, so you know, we're going to be doing stuff like the pre-shading, bleaching and post-shading, but using the color black. Just a little quick one on this because it's only a little bit on the nose cone. Probably be going into the decaling and maybe even starting some weathering for November, fingers crossed. But that's the Phantom coming along quite nicely. Our it's still in loads of pieces actually at our Avenger here, but you know, we're still working on the cockpit. You know, you've probably already seen that we've already up to this stage where, you know, we've got things like washes down and using the Humbrol washes as well, trying something a little bit different. So go check out those videos, because you know, we do all sorts of stuff with the weathering and trying a few different things. With this, I do hope that, you know, coming into November, that we actually kind of get the cockpit finished, started bringing it together, and tackling any kind of fit issues that we might have as we go along with it. But we'll see where we get with that one. I'm also thinking, I do get asked a lot about my sort of workstation, and I haven't done a video on that for years and years and years, and you may have noticed I've had a little bit of a change around with my workshop. I've actually cleaned it. Yeah, I know it's a little bit embarrassing sometimes, but you know, I've actually cleaned it, and I thought, you know what, it's probably a good opportunity while it's still clean to actually give you a bit of a walk around of the workshop next month. So I'm kind of thinking maybe next week I'll do a little sort of tutorial on that, little vlog kind of thing. I know I get asked a lot of questions like, what cameras do I have, you know, even this, how I've got this camera here mounted. I mean, people keep on asking about that, what software I use to edit the videos, you know, what tools. You know, I'll probably just have a nice little vlog just kind of walking around the workshop, showing off everything that's in here, and kind of hopefully answer a whole bunch of questions that I keep getting asked about my workshop. So we'll probably do that. I know I've got a nice Corsair inbox review to do next month, as well as these step-by-steps that we're moving along with. I mean, this is going into December, but I'm anticipating this will be finished by December, so hopefully we'll be starting a new step-by-step in December, but we'll see how we get along with that one. Apart from that, hopefully you're enjoying all the videos that are coming. Hopefully you're going to be getting in on the store giveaway, our codes and everything that is to come. But sadly we have come to the end of this video. I'm just going to throw this out there. We are getting close to the website being announced, a launch date. I don't want to promise anything, but you know, maybe stay tuned, because that could be coming quite soon. But apart from that, hopefully you have enjoyed, and as always, until next time, my name is Bob Waldron, this is Genesis Models, and I'll catch you later.